equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. This is a crucial component that controls the speed settings of your machine, and if it's malfunctioning, it can affect your cooking experience. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. Make sure you have a replacement potentiometer ready, which you can easily find online or at your local appliance store. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the machine is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, remove the base cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the machine. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the potentiometer. It is typically situated near the control panel. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. If you're unsure about the connections, take a photo for reference. This will help you reconnect everything correctly later on. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the potentiometer out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find it difficult to remove, you can use your pliers for a better grip. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process hassle-free for you. Once the old potentiometer is removed, take the new one and insert it into the same housing. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the wires according to the photo you took earlier. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. Before reassembling the base cover, take a moment to clean the internal components with a clean cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and a clean machine will perform better. Now, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened well to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source and test the new potentiometer. Turn the machine on and adjust the speed settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. If you need further assistance or prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to reach out to us for our services. We are here to help you keep your kitchen running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.